Working with enterprise document management and have QEF forms files? These are specialized forms used in Questys document management systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Questys Enterprise Forms files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for QEF problems. See below for my top choice. A QEF file is an electronic form created with Questys Enterprise Content Management, ECM software. These files are typically found in corporate or government environments for digital workflows, data entry, and records management. The user's intent is to fill out, submit, or process the form within the Questys system. This is a proprietary format, likely XML-based or a structured binary file. It is designed to encapsulate the form's layout, data fields, validation rules, and data binding information. This structure allows the Questys software to render the form dynamically and integrate the submitted data into its backend database. Questys ECM is the standard set by Questys solutions for accessing the QEF format. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows can display some document formats, though detailed editing depends on compatible tools. Go to the file and right-click your QEF file, then click Open With. Prioritize Questys ECM if you see it. If not, select any program on the list. A little trial and error is expected here. If your QEF file is not opening yet, that is normal. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the QEF format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, opening in Questys. Launch the Questys client application or Questys web interface and use File then Open, or the application's form designer to load the QEF file. The form displays in design or fill mode, allowing review of fields, completion of data, or modification of the form structure depending on user permissions and current mode. Next, contact System Administrator. If you don't have Questys software installed, contact your organization's IT department or Questys Administrator. They can provide access to the Questys system either through installed client software or web access, enabling proper viewing and use of QEF forms within the enterprise document management infrastructure. Finally, requesting form export. Ask the form sender to export the data as a standard format like PDF for viewing or CSV as Excel for the captured data values. Most enterprise form systems, including Questys, support exporting completed forms to portable formats, enabling collaboration with users outside the Questys ecosystem who need to review form data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.